All right, if you can't tell from the montage, maybe you can tell from the music playing at the pool, we are in Viva Las Vegas, one of my favorite places. Now, add the Pennzoil 400, NASCAR is here, and it is going to be a crazy weekend. We are gonna get super JimmyChucked. Let's not waste any time, let's jump into video 2, where I'm gonna talk NASCAR bets, race around the city, and the Pennzoil 400. But hey, always remember, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Viva Las Vegas! Hey, Viva Las Vegas! What's good? Happy Saturday. We are about to head to the Strip and check into our hotel, but right now we're looking at the odds for the NXS race tonight. And I wanted to speak a little bit about how do you pick NASCAR? How do you bet NASCAR? Think of it like horses, right? You're picking one person to win first place. Now, at the Pennzoil 400, you can pick somebody to win top 3. I always think that's a good thing to cover your first place bets, because you're gonna get a better payout for the first place. So think of it like this. Sometimes you might get 4-to-1 odds, sometimes you get 9-to-1. So I like to shoot for the higher odds for first place, and then I like to pick somebody to finish in the top 3 to cover those other 2 bets. Let's head to the Strip and let's do race around the city. All right, we are at Area 15. This place is awesome. It was started by the Fisher brothers, officially opened in September 2020. It is considered an experimental retail and entertainment complex. There is art installations here. They are going to do concerts. There's a bar underneath a lit up tree. This place is awesome. It is 1 mile west of the Las Vegas Strip. If you find yourself looking for something a little crazy, come to Area 15. That's right, I'm super excited to introduce our bar on Race Around the City, Las Vegas style. I am about to go into Atomic Liquors. Now this place is awesome because it's the longest freestanding bar in Las Vegas. Now back in the 1950s, 65 miles north was a nuclear test site. It was nicknamed the most bombed city in America. Now people would come here, they would go to the roof, and they would watch the bombs go off. So we're gonna go in here and we're gonna get bombed ourselves. All right, we just got to the Cosmopolitan Hotel where I'm staying in my favorite place on the Strip. The Alsco Uniforms 300 Xfinity Series race is about to start right now. Try to say that 3 times fast. I went ahead and I did 2 bets. I did take the favorite, Austin Cindric. He changed from a plus 150 to a plus 175, but I also took Noah Gragson. Why? Because last weekend, a little bit of a rough, so I think he's gonna try to fight in today for that win. So let's see if we can get on the board for the Pennzoil 400 tomorrow. We'll go all in on that one. 2 races, 2 L's. 3rd time's a charm, right? 3rd time's a charm. Maybe the Pennzoil 400, we can finally get a W? Man, Cindric, Gragson, AJ Allmendinger with the W. Don't stress, we're going to the Speedway tomorrow. We're gonna place a bet on the Pennzoil 400. Regardless of what happens tomorrow, we're here in Las Vegas. We got W's all over the place because we're here for the Pennzoil 400. All right, we are at our last stop on Race Around the City, Las Vegas edition. I am in downtown Las Vegas, Fremont Street, the original Las Vegas Strip. Super cool experience here, live music, you can zip line underneath an LED, but really close nearby is the Arts District. Another cool place to find small restaurants and bars if you want a little bit of change of scenery from the Las Vegas Strip. We have the Pennzoil 400 tomorrow, so let's jump to race day and let's get race ready. All right, we're here. We're just walking around, trying to talk to some people, see the craziness in NASCAR. Drinking a couple cold ones for the Pennzoil 400. Super early to be drinking this many beers, but you know what? When in Vegas, do as the Vegiasians do. What's up? We are at Las Vegas Motor Speedway for the Pennzoil 400, and look who I ran into, Dale Earnhardt and Richard Petty. You guys, how do you think you're gonna do today in the race?
Always good, yeah.
Always good. And what do you think, Richard?
A solid, like, 20th.
Oh, a solid 20. Look at them. They're humble. They're not saying anything. Now, is this your first race at Vegas, you guys?
Oh, no, certainly not.
Okay, what number is this for you?
The magic number of 3.
Wow, the magic number of 3. And what about you?
Same.
Real quick, do you have a crazy Vegas story? One of your best memories here at Las Vegas Motor Speedway?
Let's see. Well, the last time we were here, people thought we were Kurt and Kyle, so that was kind of fun.
Oh, Kurt and Kyle. And what about you? You have a crazy memory at Las Vegas.
I think I would just have to go in on the Kurt and Kyle thing because we made it on the big screen, so always a good time.
There you go. Well, I hope you make it on the big screen today. Give it up for Dale and Richard. All right, we have made it to Las Vegas Motor Speedway for the Pennzoil 400. The saying in Vegas is what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Not today. What happens at NASCAR stays at NASCAR. And my 3 picks for the final bet of the weekend is Kevin Harvick top 3, which is gonna cover my other 2 first place bets, which is Joey Logano 7-1 and also Kurt Busch at 15.5-1. Let's go in and let's see who's gonna win the Pennzoil 400. All right, I am standing here with a bunch of guys. We're drinking some beers. We're tailgating at the Pennzoil 400. So I'm going around you guys and asking people, well, first off, is this your first time here at Las Vegas Motor Speedway?
This is actually my second time. Last time we were here, we ended up getting a little drunk. We didn't even end up having seats. We just like got in somehow. And we ended up in a bubble bath. I think like I lost my shirt, but it was still a good time. Like we had fun. You know?
See, that's what we're talking about. What happens at NASCAR stays at NASCAR. Now, you guys, who do you think is actually going to win today? I'm thinking maybe with the 7-1 odds. I think Joey Logano is going to pull it out. But who do you think? Oh, we got a guy over there who also think it's Joey. Anybody else you think that's going to win today?
So my name's Joey. We're all rocking with Joey, but I got an underdog here. I sprinkled $5. Corey LaJoy, $5 to win $12.50, baby.
5 to 12.50. He is going to party tonight if that happens. What about you, man? Who do you think's gonna do it?
Running with Alex Bowman, man. He's gonna pull it off this race. That's what I'm thinking.
Alex Bowman from the 88 to the 48. Here we are at Pennzoil 400. Cheers, boys. Let's have a great race. And let's, here's to what happens at NASCAR stays at NASCAR.
Praise hell, praise Dale, baby.
to Joey Logano pull it off at 7-1, or Kurt Busch at 13.5. Here we go, they're about to go.
And here we go, green flag in Las Vegas. Already a huge push out of the 5 car. Kyle Larson and Kevin Harvick out of the lead. Led the last lap last week. He leads the first lap this week. 4 wide midfield. Look at this. And then Larson, as Kyle Larson wins Las Vegas.
Hell yeah, guys! Great job!
Well, you might be sitting here thinking I'm waiting for the traffic to die down. Nope, my emotions. Why? Because I'm 0-3 at Vegas. Vegas does it again. They always win. Kyle Larson, number 5 for the Pennzoil 400. 4 different drivers to win 4 different races without qualifying in practice. How do we pick a winner? I think it's best if we just push it to the next video. Bristol, baby. The Food City 500 dirt racing. I will be there. I can't wait to see you. I'm just gonna put my shades on and be in my emotions that I lost 3 in a row.